So I'm going along the Greenbelt where it's flooded in Kingsport, and it's loud. And this is a little part of the Greenbelt we don't normally walk, but I'm going to show you what we found between some buildings over here. And this is what happened with our little creek, which now looks like a raging river, guys. And it's loud. It's loud in this tunnel, or this little walk-through covered bridge. So this is on the Greenbelt, Kingsport, Tennessee, and this is how bad it is. See it? It gets loud in here, so you probably can't hear me, but here's what it looks like going into it. This is how much rainwater, floodwater we've got, people. This is dangerous. Look at this. Really breezy through here. I don't know if you can hear it. You probably can. You may not can hear me. This is coming out on the other side. Now this was a creek. It's more like a river though now, isn't it? This is coming back under the little 1907. Okay, I'll show you the other side. There's little tributaries running through here. If you can see them. Little creeks and stuff running down. But this is bad. This is really rough. I would not want to fall in. There's some of those people camped out down here in the river. So we're going down. You could go whitewater rafting on this, it looks like. There's another bridge. We're up behind some businesses. This is the Greenbelt, Kingsport, Tennessee. Flooded. This is right here around the bridge. I don't know, somebody put bad stuff on there, just ignore that. This is coming down into the bridge and under the overpass. But this right here, that is super scary. There's a big old hole. That is a very bad section.